Welcome Phi Hoang channel. Volkswagen launches Arteon boasting a unique character, with the VW Arteon R-Line edition, limited to 250 units. Volkswagen focuses even more on the dynamics and travel qualities of the Gran Turismo. Exclusive design features, extensive standard equipment and a selection of 4 powerful turbocharged engines with 140 kilowatts, 190 PS to 200 kilowatts, 272 PS characterize the special edition, which is available from €55,970 in Germany. The Volkswagen Arteon R-Line edition has a wide range of standard equipment that is not available in this combination in any other version of the series. And the expressive two-tone moonstone gray finish with black roof is reserved exclusively for the Arteon R-Line edition. The exterior finish is rounded off with 20-inch Rosario alloy wheels and darkened rear windows. The interior is perfectly matched with the exterior. It is fitted out with the Nappa leather package and can be customized in terms of color by means of ambient lighting. As part of the standard winter package, the outer rear seats are also available with heating, in addition to the front seats. As well as its navigation function, the Discover Pro Infotainment system also features wireless app connect, voice control and DAB+ digital radio reception. Discover Pro and the digital cockpit, fully digital instruments, form a single entity similar to the Innovision cockpit familiar from the Touareg. Thanks to the keyless locking and starting system keyless access, the car key can remain in the driver's pocket. Standard high-tech systems for perfect comfort and safety. The Area View feature, complete with rear view camera, provides a view of the vehicle surroundings and facilitates maneuvering, as does Park Assist. Dynamic road sign display, the lane change system side assist, the autonomous emergency braking front assist and the predictive adaptive distance control (ACC) increase safety in flowing traffic as well as increasing comfort and safety on lengthy journeys. With the standard dynamic light assist for the LED headlamps, the driver also enjoys the comfort of a dynamic cornering light and automatic main beam control. The engine range of the Volkswagen Arteon R-Line edition clearly focuses on the sporty flair of the Gran Turismo, with the 4 most powerful units of the series being available for the limited special edition. They are all efficient 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engines combined with a 7-speed dual-clutch gearbox (DSG). The range starts with a TSI petrol engine and a TDI turbocharged diesel, each with an output of 140 kilowatts, 90 PS. The all-wheel drive top-of-the-range diesel engine offers an output of 176 kilowatts, 240 PS, while the most powerful version is the Arteon R-Line edition with the 2.0 TSI, providing a peak output of 200 kilowatts, 272 PS as well as all-wheel drive 4 MOTION. The ESC system has also been adapted. As in the sporty R models, it can now be completely deactivated. The 2 most powerful versions of the Volkswagen Arteon R-Line edition are fitted with what is currently the highest development stage of the Adaptive Chassis Control (DCC). The latter is optionally available for the 140 kilowatts models. The system allows the regulated dampers to be configured on a continuously variable basis from Comfort Plus to Sport Plus over and above the settings in the driving mode selection: Comfort, Normal, Sport, Individual. This is another reason why the limited special model stands out as a particularly dynamic business class travel vehicle. The VW Arteon R-Line edition is available for order right away at a price of €55,970 for 2.0 TSI with 140 kilowatts, 190 PS, and will be delivered from February 2020.